So, today, make sure you guys have Desmos on there because we're going to need it. Today is going to be the same as yesterday, but this time around our shapes are going to get a little tougher. No, the shapes aren't going to be tougher, it's just going to be tougher to look for. So, to find the area, we need two things. We need the apothem, and we need perimeter, right? Well, in this, let's see, hexagon here,
oh, he was
I
at the
only
last
have
race.
one side, right?
Oh, he was on the last race.
I don't have my apothem. So, I can find my perimeter pretty easy, because if I have a side is 3,
Times 6.
and there are 6 sides, my perimeter is 18, right? Well, the apothem's a little more work. So what we're going to do is I'm going to put a dot here in my center, and I'm just going to pick a side, doesn't really matter. And I'm going to draw my apothem. Your apothem? Yeah. And I'm going to draw a radius. Remember, radius goes from a corner, apothem's from the middle. And we're going to have to do sine, cosine, or tangent in order to find our missing apothem. So I can call this A right here, right? Okay. So if I have this shape right here, which I did a really bad job of putting in the middle of my side. So if each side is 3, right? Remember, your apothem goes to the middle. If the whole thing is 3, this side right here is 1.5 because it's halfway, it's in the middle, right? Well, I'm going to use that to help me find A. So we're going to use SOHCAHTOA, just like we did a little while ago, but I need an angle, right? You know, I'm going to draw another radius in here. So we practiced this yesterday. How could I find this angle right here?
Which angle?
This one right here.
360 divided by 6.
Yep. So we're going to go 360 divided by 6, because that's the number of sides, to find that angle. And I believe that is 60, right?
Yeah.
Okay. What about this angle right here? Yep. We're going to divide it by 2. Find it. So then we're going to divide 60 by 2, and we're going to get 30. This little angle right here, I'm just going to draw a little arrow to it, space, is 30. And I've got a triangle set up now that I can use my sine, cosine, or tangent on. Because I have an angle up here on top, I have a side, and I have the side, my apothem right here, is the side I'm going to find. And every time we're going to do it today, we are going to use tangent. We're going to use tangent also. So I'm going to say tangent of 30 is going to equal opposite, which is 1.5, over adjacent, which is 8. So you're only using tangent today. I give you that much of a hint. And I mean it this time. Last time I said that, I was wrong, but not this time. So we're going to have to use tangent to find apothem. Alright, so if we're going to go through and solve this, what's the first thing I should do? Or what? Or if I'm going to solve it for A right here, what's the first thing I should do? How about we plug tangent of 30 into Desmos?
Why don't NASCAR cars have headlights?
Because they don't need headlights. They only go left. You do go and go left.
Because whenever they drive,
literally on YouTube right there.
That's all it's doing, just going to the left.
Alright, so to start with, let's
Left
find
turn.
tangent
Left
of
turn.
30. Make sure you're in degrees. Mario, tangent 30. 30. And we get 0.57.
what? Yeah.
Get stickers.
I get 0.57 equals
Get
1.5. Focus.
That's why his friend called him.
Oh, you must.
How was he driving around?
Alright, Ryan, remember what to do next?
That was
Now
after.
don't you times it by 8,
That was in
then
number
you
2,
divide it
we
by
got-
0.57.
Okay,
both
okay.
sides.
So, we're going to use our shortcut, we're going to do it at the same time.
Oh,
Alright.
you could. No, wait, no, that won't work. I was going to do fish method, but it's not.
You could actually. That is
Really?
what we could. Yeah, you could go like over one. But I don't know, this seems easier. Okay,
The way I said
so
it's-
we have, this A is here on the bottom, right?
Yeah.
So remember, when our variable is on the bottom, we can't divide by 1.5. We have to
Switch it?
do a little flip here, flip flop.
Yeah.
Switch it around. Because A is on the bottom, which means I'd have to multiply and then
That's
I'd
why
have
he
to
did
divide.
the chow, because he didn't have to.
So we're just going to use our shortcut here. I'm going to say A equals 1.5 divided by 0.6.
As well as stickers that look
And
like
that we can plug into
lines.
Desmos. Tiana, since you have Desmos right there, we get.
He does not.
2.58. Our apothegm is 2.58. Have I answered the question though? No. No, I have to actually find the area. No, man. No, I know. We're doing
Dude, this is the
after the
biggest.
lesson.
He does ka-chow.
Alright, right after the lesson.
Okay.
He goes ka-chow.
What?
That's what his lighting was.
Alright.
Yeah, that makes
So I've got my
5,000
apothegm, I got my
nice.
perimeter, so I can fill in
That's
my
a good
formula
analogy.
0.5 times my apothegm 0.258 times my perimeter, which is 18. Plug that in the Desmos. What? 18.22.
23.22.
Then I can't forget inches squared. It's a area. My units are inches. So that's what we're practicing today. So we're going to have to use tangent today to find our apothegm. That's the only difference between yesterday's and today's. So it's a little more work, but it's not really anything new. We're just combining it in new ways. So make sure everybody has it down first, and then we'll do another one, and you guys will do one next time.
Whoa.
You got it, Quan?
Yeah.
Oh, what do you gotta do this?
Alright, so
Let's go again.
on this next shape here, we're going to do the same thing. So, I need to find my perimeter, and I need to find my apothegm. So let's do the easy one first.
Does the
a perimeter.
the apothegm
Bro. You gotta watch
sticker
the video.
back
You gotta watch the
you
video.
have, like
You gotta watch the video.
When he comes out of the back.
Alright, so in this shape, I have let's see, I have another hexagon. So my perimeter, one of them is 4. I have 6 sides, meaning my perimeter is 24.
Let's
Alright,
go.
so I'm going to get this set up with my triangle here to help find my apothegm. So that's my A, my apothegm. I got my radius.
That equals 2.
So this chunk right here is 2. And I need to find this angle before I can find A. So to find that, we're going to say 360. We actually just did this divided by the number of sides, which is 6. Which is 60 divided by 2, which is 30. So remember, to get this big angle right here, we take it 360 divided by the number of sides. To get this little one, we divide that by 2.
Oh.
So that means this angle here is going to be 30, and I can set up tangent. I'm going to go tangent of 30. It's going to equal opposite, which is 2, over my adjacent, which is my apothegm. And we can go through and solve. And you know what? Let's make it easy. I'm dividing by A, right? So before we do tangent of 30, let's just put these down. And let's go A equals 2 divided by tangent of 30. And we can actually plug 2 divided by tangent of 30 straight into Desmos.
Really?
Yep. I'm going to Desmos. 2 divided by tangent
I might
of
forget a
30.
couple of times though.
And we get our apothegm is 3.46. We'll go back here. So A equals 3.46. 3.46. Alright. I've done everything I need to find my actual area now. So, let's see. 0.5 times my apothegm, 3.46, times my perimeter, 24. Plug that straight into Desmos. 0.5 times 3.46 times 24, 41.2. And inches squared. Don't forget your units, inches squared. Alright. your guys' turn. I want you to.
Let's execute it.
We'll do it like in class. Not together. Well, not together. I want you guys to do this one on your own, and we'll talk about it. So, well, this is your executed. We're doing it together. I should have put in one more problem in there, but it looks like I forgot. Oh well.
Oh well.
So I want you to start by finding your perimeter, and then get your pentagon here set up with your apophyme. And then I'll let you work on it for a little bit, then we'll talk about it, then maybe you'll finish it off. See?
Hey, look. I'm doing this part, right?
Never mind. No, but honestly, it's dumb. It's dumb because, like, it's not.
Because you were wrong.
Come on, like, he died. He would have wrecked like 5 times. They have a light, like, shining on him the whole time. That's. Everybody else is lit on, so. I'm pissed.
Wait, didn't it?
I totally thought he would like at least have a little bit of a light or something, so where you can see. But no.
I think he would have headlights. Does it not where he like in the first movie where
He's driving around all
Why
lost.
did,
yeah. But he never showed
There was
headlights.
streetlights. Yeah, there just lights out in the middle of nowhere, all over for him.
Some
Just so
people
that,
have
just so
it.
that.
But it was
they
on
can
lightning
have-
film.
Wait, it's not heavy headlights, and he was
Huh?
saying he
It
did.
used to be a highway.
Yeah. Like
Why is that important right now?
Because Connor wants to like.
I thought Lightning McQueen would have had headlights when he got lost. You know, when he came out the back of the truck.
aren't you
He's
supposed to
driving around in
divide
the
this
dark.
like 5, the 72, because
You
there's
would
like
guess they would have
5
like
half of the 10.
put headlights in.
If you know the movie,
Just to
like
make
me,
it
you
have.
probably do.
some-
I know we're like no.
Aren't you
I
supposed
guess.
to divide that by 5?
No, because JCQ divided by 5.
Give you another minute or so, then we'll go over it.
60.
Or at least the first part, so I finish it off on your own a little bit.
By 5 is 17. That's how I got it.
Yeah, when you
Yeah,
get this far, what do you do?
Then times the
So now we're gonna set up.
I know that, but
Oh, right.
because it's, yeah, because on this one, he did like 36 divided by the sides, then it equals 60 divided by 2, half of the 4.
Yeah, but look, you have to go over 5 when you switch the power so
Oh.
Why did I say 1.5? Why
I don't
did
know.
one-
So I'm supposed
I'm not entirely sure why you said that.
So I'm not
Why
supposed
was
to
this
add
one
that.
1.5?
Just leave
Because
like
it
this.
was 3 long.
Because on here
Half
we
that
have-
was
we
1.5. That one was 10 long.
Yeah.
I thought it was 1.5 just because it's always 1.5.
Yeah, divide 72.
So it would be the
So,
10.
and 72 equal, multiplied by 8 will so it's divided by 8.
No,
What would it be? The T-A-N.
what? Get this whole thing's 360. Divided by 5 equals 72. You said. Cookie.
What?
Cookie.
I didn't hear it.
Cookie. So the whole thing equals 360, right?
What did you
You're
get?
supposed to divide that by 5, and then you're supposed to divide this by 5 because it's half of this.
Divided by 2. Because it's half of that.
What did you get, Kyle?
Oh, okay, so no matter what this is, you have to divide by 2. Okay, so you did it wrong.
I was asking.
Yeah, you're supposed to divide the 75 by 2.
Alright, let's get started going over this. If you're not done, that's okay. We're gonna go over it a piece
Because
at a
it's
time.
half of this.
Let's start with
Yeah, that's what I was
the
thinking, like, was it
easy
half
one.
of
Mark,
10 or was it 2?
what's the perimeter? Or how do I find the perimeter?
10 times 5 equals 50.
Yep.
6.
Alright. Mick, what do I have to do to find the apophyme? Yep. Divided by 5, which is 72, right? Alright, and then Krista, what do you have to do after that? Mark, I think I forgot this part.
No, I got it. I already
Divided by
got
2.
that part.
Equals
Divided by 2.
36?
Which is
Oh.
36.
Yeah, I got that part too.
I thought I missed that. I thought you had 72 there, and I wrote it down. Alright. Kylie, what do I do with that 36 now?
Oh yeah, 10.
Oh,
yeah.
right,
Then
you
it's
flip-flop those.
10.
And what's going to equal?
It's only 10.
5 over A, because in this little section right here, it's half of the side, so that's 5. And I want to find.
Why'd you tell me
A,
it's 1072?
Because I forgot to divide by 2.
I did that though. It was right there.
Then I saw the wrong spot. I just
Never
said,
mind.
You're right.
I'm
You're right. I was
I'm
wrong.
confused.
All right, Joseph. What do I got to do next?
He doesn't
Switch 10, 36, and
Yeah. Switch this tan 36 and A around. I'm gonna go A equals 5 over tan 36. Tiana, what do you get for A? Okay. Chloe, what's our formula gonna look like now that we've got our possum?
0.5. Wait. Times 6, 8.88 times 50.
All right, and
The answer is-
Ryan, what'd you get for your final answer?
172 seems square.
172. Did you round it? Or was it 172?
It's just
This is
172.
172.
Oh, that's nice.
Seems square.
Centimeters squared. All right, that's it. Good.
Mr. Glucky, is your print done?
It probably is by now, yeah.
Can you look at it?
All right, that's it. So, because this was our exit ticket, we're not having Socrative.
Can you print out
Make
the
sure everybody heard me. We're not having Socrative, so don't ask me in like 5
Can you
minutes.
print out the homework?
Well,
And I'll get your homeworks right now.